Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Advocate Dr. Genesis Pace, and we will be talking about why you should make the right decision when voting. Okay. The cell is like a society, our nutrients, our energy, our structure, hereditary material, duh. The cell is like our nation. We, the people, the basic building blocks, are to determine the outcome for our righteous and silver future. Silver? No, silver future. We need leaders, organelle candidates who support, protect, and strengthen. It is obvious that our nation needs should come first and deserve only the best. We need the cytoskeleton and the cell wall. The cytoskeleton is both a skeleton and a muscle that can provide movement and stability for the cell. It contains a wide range network of filaments and tubules that extend throughout the nation. The cytoskeleton represents our backbone, our stability to hold all organelles in place. Now, if you don't have that, what else do you have? Nothing. Okay. The dynamic collection of microfilaments and microtubules can be continually in the process of assembly and disassembly, which results in forces that benefit our nation's movement and communication outlets. Okay, interesting, right? Yes, I know. The cytoskeleton can maintain the cell by granting support, structure, organization, and balance to the house of cell of division. The cytoskeleton's partner candidate, the cell wall, allows flexibility. It allows strength to the cell, which helps protect against physical damage to it. It allows a certain shape. Overall, maintain the nation. You need something like this, guys, to support our cell. If not, if you don't have this, like, you don't have anything. Let me keep reading. Okay. So it allows protection from pathogens such as bacteria that are trying to invade within the borders. The structure of the cell wall allows what comes in and out of the cell. You don't want a deadly cell. You want a healthy and strong one. Okay. We know leadership requires trust. We need leadership. We know leadership requires organization and stability. We know leadership requires safety and flexibility. We know that purity and tradition keeps us alive. We know life without the cytoskeleton and cell wall will no longer be in order to retain its structure and protection. These consequences may ultimately lead to destruction of the cell. I don't know. If that didn't say it, I don't know what else did. Guys, it holds it together. Nothing else does this. Okay. We need true leaders, unlike nucleus and nucleolus. See, you can't even say their name. See how you can't even. Anyways, which controls gene expression of DNA and resembles ribosomes. The two, the nucleus and the nucleolus only want power all to themselves. They're not looking to share it with anybody. Now, isn't that unfair? Wouldn't you want an equal and democratic leader instead? So, the rough ER and ribosomes aren't any better. With the abilities to contain protein synthesis, these two organelles can likely cause disorder in its early life. We cannot waste our time with leaders that cannot maintain stability. Okay? Like, period. We need leaders that are strong and independent or independable to our society. The smoothie R and Goji won't be beneficial too. Don't forget I forgot about y'all. Anyways, the transportation and packaging of protein does not exceed the expectation of true leaders. What does packaging have to do with strength and support? We need leaders that will keep parasites away from our borders. Lysosomes and peroxisomes only digest and dispose waste that are with their enzymes. Okay, that's not enough. Leaders that defend from the outside are most important. Mitochondria and chloroplasts synthesize energy. However, no energy means no life. Okay? Risking those two organelles can mark the nation's downfall. Corruption is not necessary. Our lives are dependent on your vote. I'm going to say that again. Our lives are dependent on your vote. Will you make our nation hold the structure with the cytoskeleton in the cell wall? Or will you risk to destroy our civil future? All right, guys, that concludes our section of the day with Advocate Dr. Genesis Pace. Goodbye.